Earth has two giant continents hidden inside it. And somehow, nobody noticed for billions of years. They sit near the planet's core. Each one is absurdly huge. Scientists literally call them blobs, because apparently geology naming day was rushed. They're called LLSVPs, which stands for Large Low Shear Velocity Provinces. Terrible name. Sounds like something your accountant warns you about. Scientists found these things using earthquakes. When earthquakes happen, they send waves through Earth, like sound traveling through walls. If the wall sounds weird, something weird is inside the wall. Normally, earthquake waves move at predictable speeds. But near Earth's core, some waves suddenly slow down. That means the material there is different, hotter, denser, stranger. Basically, Earth has mystery soup at the bottom. There are two main blobs, one under Africa, one under the Pacific Ocean, and these things are gigantic, thousands of kilometers across. If Earth had organs, these would look medically concerning. Now here's the annoying part. Nobody fully knows what they are. Earth refuses to explain itself. One theory says they're ancient ocean floor. Earth's crust constantly moves around. Sometimes parts sink deep into the mantle and never come back. Basically, plate tectonics is just Earth shoving its mess under the carpet for a few 100 million years. Another theory says these blobs are leftovers from early Earth. Back then, the planet was basically a giant spinning lava disaster. Some heavy material may have sunk to the bottom and stayed there forever, like leftovers in the back of the fridge that became self-aware. And then there's the weird theory. Some scientists think these blobs may contain material from another planet. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object slammed into Earth. That collision probably formed the Moon. But some debris may have sunk deep into Earth's mantle. So technically, Earth may have another planet buried inside it. Deep within the Earth's mantle, massive, mysterious structures are quietly shaping the destiny of our planet. Imagine a colossal lava lamp churning in the dark. But instead of the soothing, colorful wax decorating a bedroom, these primordial blobs ooze plumes of superheated material upward. When this unstoppable thermal energy finally breaches the crust, it doesn't just trigger an ordinary eruption. It unleashes a supervolcano, a planetary monster capable of blotting out the sun, altering global climates, and completely remodel the continents. So no, scientists did not just locate a hidden alien metropolis inside the Earth. But what they did find are these colossal, enigmatic structures chilling right next to the planet's core. And honestly, that is already deeply unsettling. Think about the sheer absurdity of it. Here we are, casually stressing over taxes, buying overpriced groceries, and doom-scrolling, while our planet is secretly harboring giant, unexplained cosmic blobs right beneath our feet. Earth is acting incredibly sketchy.